Gai. We use this when talking about effects on health, the environment, and children. It also appears with topics like food, medicine, and smoking. 害、健康や環境、子供への影響の話でよく使います。食べ物や薬、喫煙のトピックにも出ます。It is used as a noun. 害 refers to negative effects on people or things, like harm or damage, and also to health-related risks such as toxicity or side effects. 人や物に悪い影響や損を生むことを表す言葉です。体や自然にとって良くない状態を言います。The single kanji means a bad effect or harm. You see it in higai to talk about damage that someone or something suffers. You also hear kogai when speaking about pollution that hurts daily life. Keep the idea of a negative effect in mind, and these words make sense. Smoking is harmful to your health. 喫煙は健康に害を与えます。喫煙は健康に害を与えます。UV rays can be harmful to your skin. 紫外線は肌に害になることがあります。紫外線は肌に害になることがあります。Keep the volume low so as not to harm the child. 子供に害が出ないように音を小さくします。子供に害が出ないように音を小さくします。The most common synonyms of the word are songai and 悪影響。Songai focuses on loss or damage in value or property, while gai is broader. 悪影響 highlights an ongoing negative influence, which overlaps with gai in health or social contexts. The most common antonym of the word is rieki. Gai points to negative impact, points to positive gain or advantage.